student. Class 10 chapter light is going on. I hope you have gone through the CBSE notice also that some change in the syllabus is there in all the subject. In science also there are some changes, some portion has been deleted. So please go through those portion that what is there in the syllabus and what is not in the syllabus. So I was discussing about the chapter light. In this chapter, in my previous video, I have explained the ray diagram using concave and convex mirror. Today my topic is power of the lens and the sign convention that is related with both lens and mirror. Because for doing the numericals, the sign convention is very much necessary. Without proper sign convention, you cannot do the sums. You have to make it clear. So before sign convention, I want to discuss about power of a lens. Power of any lens. It is given by the formula. It is equal to 1 by f, but f should be in meter. 1 by f means 1 by focal length. Focal length of the lens, whatever may be the focal length, it is applicable for both concave and convex lens. So 1 by focal length of the lens, but the focal length has to be in meter, that is unit of focal length has to be taken in meter. Then you are going to get the power of the lens. You might have seen that the specs the people are wearing, they are saying that power is 4.5, minus 6, so these kind of powers you have heard. So that is only the power of lens that we are going to calculate. Unit of power of lens is diopter. Unit of power is diopter. Capital D is the letter by which we are going to denote it, and this is known as diopter. That is written in small form, that is D. Now this formula is necessary for calculating the power of a lens, that is while doing numericals you will come across this formula. Another formula I want to write, that is your lens formula. Previously you have learned mirror formula. So what was the mirror formula? Mirror formula was 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here I am going to write the lens formula. Lens formula is one by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. The difference is only this sign, nothing else. In mirror you have learned 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here instead of plus it is minus. But while doing the numerical you have to very much clear about the sign convention. Without sign convention your numerical answer will be wrong from the beginning only. So I have drawn the diagrams here to explain the sign convention. This one is what? This one is concave mirror. This is the concave mirror and this one is the focal point of concave mirror. How you got the focal point? The parallel rays of light came and parallel rays of light to the principal axis. After reflection they are passing through the focus point. After reflection they are passing through the focus point, because this is converging mirror. So here what is the sign of the focal length? The sign of focal length will be here minus. Why minus? Because the ray of light is coming from this side. On the same side the focal length is there. On the same side the focus point is there. So it is minus. Now next is this mirror, that is known as convex mirror. In case of convex mirror, what happened? The ray of light came, after reflection they have diverged. These are the diverged rays you can find. If I extend the divergent rays, then they are meeting at a point, and this point is the focus point of the mirror. This is convex mirror. So in convex mirror, which side f is there? Light is coming from this side, f is forming on the opposite side. when light is coming from one side and focus point is on the opposite side, in this case I will take the f as plus, that is value of focal length will be taken as plus value. Now about the lens, this is all about mirror. Now lens, this is my convex lens. All of you know this is convex lens. What is happening here? Here the ray of light is coming, after refraction they are meeting on the opposite side. So this one is the principal focus of convex lens. So which side the focus point is there? Try to think for a second that which side it is for me. You can see clearly that light is coming from left side, but the focus point is on the right hand side, that is opposite side. If the focus point is on the opposite side from where the light is coming, the value of focus point will be positive, that is focal length will be positive. This one is positive. This is similar, this one is similar to this one. Here also the focus point is on the opposite side, so focal length is plus V. Similarly here also the focus point is on the opposite side, so it is plus value. Now again this one is what? Concave lens. Concave lens, what is happening? The ray of light coming parallel to principal axis, after refraction diverging, If I extend the divergent rays, they are meeting at a point and this is the focus point, and the length between the optical center and focus point is my focal length. So here what is happening? Here the light is coming from this side, that is left hand side, and focus point is also in the left hand side. So what is the value of f here? F is minus. So this is having similarity with which one? This one is having similarity with this one. So one thing you have to remember, the name is, if the name is concave, whether it is mirror or lens, concave means always the focal length will be minus value. Whether lens or mirror, every time if it is concave, whether it is lens or it is mirror, every time it will be negative. If the name is convex, whether it is mirror or lens, whatever may be, the focal length will be calculated as plus value. So there are various tricks to remember this kind of thing. I am saying you one trick, try to apply it. I applied this kind of trick. Concave, bigger name. The name is bigger. When the name is bigger, I am taking negative sign. Convex, the name is smaller, so it is positive sign. Convex means smaller, so that is positive sign. Concave, bigger, that is negative sign. Bigger is related with negative sign and the smaller is related with positive sign. This way you can remember, or you can think any trick by yourself. This is all about focal length. Now I want to say something more regarding sign convention. That is, object is always taken as negative. Whether it is lens or it is mirror, U is the object which is always taken as negative because light is coming from the object. The direction from which light is coming, it is always taken as negative. If the image is formed on the same side of object in case of mirror, then that image, that is V, I will take as negative in case of mirror. In case of mirror, if the image is formed on the same side where the object is, the image will be taken as negative. And if the image is formed on the opposite side, that is behind the mirror, then I have to take the image as positive. Another thing you have to remember, that is whether the object is erect or inverted. In case of erect means it is straight, So in that case we say that it is positive. Erect is positive, that is we consider in case of write down the height. When we write down the height of object and image, if the height is taken as positive, that means it is erect. If the height is taken as negative, that means it is inverted. Height is taken as inverted means that is your that is your negative. In case of lens, what is happening? In case of lens, if the image formed is virtual, where the virtual image will be formed, virtual image is going to form on the same side where the light is there, and real image will be formed where? On the opposite side. So in case of lens, U and V is little bit different from the mirror. But in case of mirror, you have to remember that on the side where the object is there, in that side I have to take negative, and behind the mirror I have to take positive. So while doing the numericals using lens, I will discuss again in detail. Thank you.